So we'll start today new chapter that is called Introduction to Trigonometry. Introduction to Trigonometry. Okay, now look, consider defining some ratios. Consider a right triangle ABC, right triangle at A. Means it is like this. Right angle at A. Now, if I consider this C angle, if we consider the angle C, then C को attached side AC will be adjacent side. This will be adjacent side. Then C का opposite AB will be opposite side. Opposite side. Remember, 90 degree का always opposite is hypotenuse. BC is hypotenuse. Okay, this thing will consider. Now if I consider angle B, now B का opposite will be this one, that is AC. B का adjacent will be AB. So you have to see which angle you are taking. Now introducing the trigonometric ratios, which is already defined. Trigonometric ratios are defined as that is, suppose I will start with C angle, sin C, you have to remember this, that is we call as perpendicular by hypotenuse. If I consider this is angle C, this is your base, this is perpendicular, this is hypotenuse. So what you call as, this is C का opposite by hypotenuse. Opposite by hypotenuse. So opposite means perpendicular. So formula will be P by H. Cos C, cosine of the angle C, that is adjacent by hypotenuse. The adjacent means B, base, B by H. Then other ratios, tan C will be P by B, opposite by adjacent. That is P by B. This symbol also you have to remember. Long run we will be using these symbols. Okay. Cot C. Cot C is B by P. That means adjacent by opposite. That is B by P. Look at here. These two are reciprocal. This is P by B. This is B by P. So whenever tan C is given, you can find directly cot C, that is by the reciprocal. Okay, sec C. Sec C equals to just cos का opposite, hypotenuse by adjacent. The hypotenuse means H by B. Then the last one, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 trigonometric ratios. Cosec. Cosec C. Cosec C is sin का opposite, hypotenuse by opposite. That means H by P. So if you remember sin, cosec you can find out reciprocal. If you remember cos if you remember sec you can find out reciprocal. If you remember tan, cot you can find out reciprocal. Okay, let's start few questions based on this. Suppose we are given let ABC is a right triangle at C. Now our question is find if AC is 4 centimeter, BC is 3 centimeters, find sin A cos B, cos A. Let's start the simple questions. Tan A cot A cosec A sec A. Okay, now look here. First you take a right triangle at C. Right angle at C means this is your C 90 degree. So if I take this is A, this is B, anything I can take, doesn't matter. Suppose I took this, or for your convenience also I can take this is A, this is B. Out of which AC is 4, this is 4, this is 3. Remember, you have to find out the hypotenuse. Pythagoras theorem. So first AB square equals to AC square plus BC square, AC square plus BC square. So that will be 4 square plus 3 square, 16 plus 9, 25. Therefore AB is root over of 25, 5 centimeter. That means we got this side 5. Now look at here, 3 sides you got. Now which angle you are taking? Sin A means you are taking A angle. Okay, now listen. So when you want to find sin A, how to remember? Sin A formula is opposite by hypotenuse. Listen carefully. Sin A angle का opposite A का opposite is BC. BC by hypotenuse. Hypotenuse means AB. So how much it will become? AB. So that is 3 by 5. Okay. Now let's find cos A. What is cos A? Cos का formula is A का adjacent. Adjacent by hypotenuse. Adjacent by hypotenuse. So adjacent means 4. 4 means AC by AB. Adjacent. A का adjacent means this one. AC by AB. That means 4 by 5. You got sine, you got cos. Now let's find tan. tan A equals to, tan का formula A angle you have taken, that is opposite by adjacent. Formula you have to remember, opposite by adjacent. So opposite means BC by AC. That is how much? 3 by 4. Cot A. Cot A. Cot A equals to, formula you have to remember, adjacent by opposite. Adjacent means this one, 4 by A का opposite, 4 by 3. Look at this is reciprocal coming. Reciprocal coming. Then sec A. Sec, just remember, cos का opposite, hypotenuse by adjacent. तो hypotenuse means which one? AB. AB by adjacent AC. That is 5 by 4. Sec you got. Now you get cosec. Cosec A. Cosec A equals to hypotenuse by opposite. Sin का just reciprocal. So A का 5 by 3. Opposite means A, hypotenuse is AB, adjacent is BC. Okay. Then this is done. Let's change the question pattern now. Okay. Now one homework for you. In PQR triangle, angle Q is 90 degree. If PQ equals to 12 centimeter, QR equals to 5 centimeter, find sin R, cos R, tan R, cot R, cosec R, sec R. Okay, just the previous question follow and try to solve it. Let's take a different question then. The different means so let's take a question here. In ABC triangle, angle B equals to 90 degree. Okay, AC equals to 10 centimeter, AB equals to 8 centimeter. Find sin A cos B, sorry, cos C, tan A, cot A plus tan A, cosec C plus sec A, cot A plus tan B you write, so tan C. Okay, now look here. In ABC triangle, B angle is 90 degree. So this is your B angle. Suppose this is A, this is C. It doesn't matter. Main is your right angle. Out of which AC is 10. Mean this hypotenuse is 10. Then AB is 8. This is 8. First use Pythagoras theorem. What is AC square equals to AB square plus BC square. So 10 square equals to 8 square plus BC square. 100. This will come this side. Minus 64 BC square. So 36 equals to BC square. BC equals to root over of 36. That is 6 centimeter. So this becomes 6 centimeter now. Now you got all the three sides. Okay. Look what you need. Sin A. Now we'll write directly. Okay. Sin A. A angle you have to see. This is your A angle. What is the formula of sine? Opposite. A का angle opposite. Opposite by hypotenuse. That means BC by AC. So 6 by 10. Directly you can write now because you have to remember it now. Then comes of cos C. Or if you write also no problem. Opposite by hypotenuse. So A का opposite is 6 by 10. Then comes of cos C. Cos C. What is the formula of cos? Here is a confusion, look at here. Adjacent by hypotenuse. C angle when you are taking, because you are finding cos C. When you are taking C angle, then you have to take adjacent is this one. BC by AB, 6 by 10. Then comes up tan A. Tan A. Tan A will be, what is the formula of tan? Tan A. Opposite by adjacent. A angle का opposite. Opposite is which one? 6. Adjacent. A का adjacent means this side. 6 by 8. Okay. Then tan A plus cot C. Look, when you write tan A you have to write opposite by adjacent cot C. So C when you take, what is the formula of cot C? Adjacent by opposite. Here is a confusion, try to see now. Tan A का opposite. A का opposite is 6, adjacent is 8. Means 6 by 8. But when you go to cot C, C का adjacent by opposite. C का adjacent is which one? 6. 6 by C का opposite. 6 by 10. So 6 by 8. So how much you got? 8 is LCM. 6 plus 6, 12 by 8. 4 3 ja, 4 2 ja, 3 by 2. Okay. Then comes of cosec A, cosec C, sec A. Cosec C. Cosec C plus sec A. But you remember what is the formula of cosec? That is hypotenuse by opposite. Sec का formula hypotenuse by adjacent. This the became formula now. Cosec is hypotenuse by opposite. Sec is hypotenuse by adjacent. Now look here. Look here. Cosec C angle you are taking. C angle you are taking. Hypotenuse by opposite. Hypotenuse become 10. C का opposite is 8. That means 10 by 8. But when you go to sec A, sec A means this angle. Again hypotenuse is 10. And A का adjacent means this one, 10 by 8. So you will get 8 is LCM. 10 plus 10. 20 by 8. 4 2 ja, 4 5 ja. 5 upon 2. Okay, so like this you will solve one question then. Let me give one question. In PQR triangle, angle Q is 90 degree. PQ equals to 24 centimeter. PR equals to 25 centimeter. Find tan P. Cot R. Sec R. Cosec P. Then sin P plus cos R. Cos P plus sec R. Cot P plus tan R. So these are the practice question. If you do, you will not have any mistake on this. Okay. Now this is first pattern of the question we had. See the second pattern of the question. Second pattern of the question you see, given so for you question number 1, question number 2 is homework. Which exercise? It is 8.1. Exercise 8.1. Question number 1, question number 2. Okay. So I'll tell you question number 3 is also homework. Question number 3 is also homework. Now I'll do question number 4. 3 will be easy for you. So look at what is question number 4 for us. that is given 15 cot A equals to 8. Find sin A and sec A. Sin A and sec A. Okay. Pattern is little bit changed. Look at here. Suppose I'll take, this is your A angle. A is given. So suppose this is B, this is C. Now what I'll do is, A angle means this is our base B. A का opposite is perpendicular. This is your hypotenuse. So which angle you are taking? A angle. If this is A angle, this is your base. This is perpendicular, opposite. This is your hypotenuse. Now look at here. 15 cot A equals to 8. So what we'll do is, 15 cot A, 15 cot A equals to 8. Okay, take this 15 this side. Cot A equals to 8 by 15. That's a cot ka formula, you remember PBS formula I've given you. So what is PBS formula? B by P. Formula, in terms of formula you have to now solve. So B by P means, okay, B means which one? This is your B. This is your 8. 8K suppose. Because ratio form some constant you have to multiply. P means 15K. Okay, now second write B is equal to 8K. 8K, 8x, anything you can write. P equals to 15K. Then you have to find out H. Pythagoras theorem. Actually, you remember this formula. H square equals to P square plus B square. You have studied in the Pythagoras theorem. Okay, so H square. So let's find out what is H square now. P square plus B square. So P means 15K square plus 8K square. 15K whole square, 8K whole square. Okay, how much you will get? 15 15 is 225K square, 64K square. This is 289K square. The H equals to root over of 289K square. 289 is 17, K square is K. That means this becomes 17K. Okay, now what you want to find out? What is our question? You want to find sin A and sec A. Sin A. Sin A equals to P by H. Now you come back to formula. Once you take the angle, this is your base, opposite is perpendicular, this is hypotenuse. Then no mistake will come out. So sin A is P by H. P means this one P. P is how much? Now 15K. This is 15K by H. 17K. K is cancelled. 15 by 17. Sec A. Sec A is formula. Sin and cos, you remember? Cos is what? B by H. This will be H by B. Formula today you remember. H means 17K. Base is 8K. K cancel. 17 by 8. So like this we have to solve. So what you have to do is today Question number 3, I gave you homework. 5 exactly same. Theta form is given. PBH you have to find out. So try to solve up to question number 5. Rest we will do tomorrow.